parang yun na yung pinaka-end game or pinaka-last na talagang gagawin nyo as a couple or as a partner na gusto nyong mag-end up together?
Siyempre, important siya, especially for people who are within organized religions such as Catholicism and Christianity. Siyempre, we live in a very Catholic country, so it's super life goals.
It's not as important to me as it is sa ibang tao. Pero, well, if my partner wants it, why not?
Sacred activity na ginagawa ng magjowa na gusto nang i-secure ang kanilang relationship.
For me, marriage, go lang. Pakasal kayo, okay lang naman. And feeling ko naman, doable pa naman siya. Pero marami siyang challenges ngayon.